Dr. Kirby Thompson, owner and operator of Wildflower Wellness, licensed naturopathic physician and acupuncturist. And today, we are here for Dr. Kirby's Pick. And today, Dr. Kirby's Pick is cupping. Everybody always asks about cupping. Ever since that Phelps guy got cupped at the Olympics. What a great idea for business. Anyway, cupping is not also a great idea for business. It's a great idea for helping people. It seems a little strange, so some people are like, I don't know if I want to do that. So let's take some time today to talk about some cupping. Now, the cup itself, original cupping, Chinese fire cupping, what you do is use these glass cups, and you are going to take the cotton ball filled with 91% alcohol by volume, and you are going to take these up in there and put it on the areas of question, right? Pain, inflammation, all kinds of good stuff. Somebody told me one time I needed to use mini ball jars because I was in the South. That's a very good point, and you can use those too. Maybe we should get some. Now, cupping, there are many varieties of cupping. You can do cupping, and like I said, different sizes depending on your tissue, and also different strengths. If you'll see here, all you do is put the fire up in there, and different sizes, and the skin comes up. Now, you see that? That's powerful. Not only does the skin come up, but the Chinese believe it moves qi, which is energy, blood, lymph, phlegm, and congestion. So it also can strengthen the skin and be used to pull out toxin. It is used in a lot of conditions, and it's usually in accompaniment to acupuncture. We'll go over the conditions in a minute. In accompaniment to acupuncture, but you can get cupping by itself. Cupping by itself is usually done for immune problems, rheumatic issues, pain, just general overall inflammation, as well as facial cupping. Now at Wildflower Wellness, we're getting ready to do the cupping machine. We haven't got it yet, but we're getting it hopefully this week. And what we're going to do is, what you do is, what you're working on, especially with facial cupping or cupping for weight loss, what you do is you manipulate the cellulite and you bring that up to the skin and help the body process a little bit better. And what you create is a smoother, supple area of the skin. That's why it works so well with the acupuncture for the facial acupuncture. When I went, I told this story at least 10 times this week. When I went to the facial cupping seminar, I actually saw a man who was 60 that looked 80. Look 60 again. Now that was pretty good. So we'll be giving you more information on that as we get it. But there are a lot of different types of cupping. Also, what you can do with facial cupping is these kind of things, right? So if you have an area in question, sore tooth, or just want to get some lymphatics flowing, you know, you can put these on smaller areas without creating so much suction. There's also another kind of suction which Dr. Kirby left at home because she's been having some issues. But praise God, they're gone. But still, so, you know, different kinds of pumping action. Still, Dr. Kirby's fave is the Chinese fire cupping. It is the best. I see great clinical results. And again, things you can use cupping for: rheumatism, fatigue, fibromyalgia, anxiety, cardiac heart failure, kidney problems, detox issues, even anemia and hemolytic problems, liver congestion, any type of gastrointestinal problems, weight loss, cellulite, and facial rejuvenation. So, I mean, facial paralysis, Bell's palsy, endless things, because what you're doing and what the Chinese believe most problems are caused from is stagnation. Stagnation of what? Anything. Blood, lymph, phlegm, right? If you have lung problems, immune problems, there's actually a specific protocol that we do here that really helps with the immune system, lymphatic flow, allergies, asthma, things like that. So that's awesome. Now, another thing, stationary cupping or moving cupping, it depends on what you're doing, right? If you're working on musculoskeletal stuff or even immune system, moving things, oh, cardiac heart failure, great for that. And now, not as it's more of an adjunct therapy, not necessarily this will fix that, no. But remember, it's what you do over time that's going to help any condition. But moving cupping, I do love that. Right here, what we've done on this person, thank you very much, is some stationary cupping. And if you'll see here, there is a little bit of bruising. Depending on how much stagnation you have in your body, you're going to bruise more. The better your body gets, the less bruising you should have. So if you think about it, with cardiac heart failure, what happens? The blood doesn't pump. If the blood doesn't pump, the lymph doesn't flow. So everything pools, right? So what do you think you're going to get when you do this on somebody with cardiac heart failure, where you're going to get a big giant bruise that lasts for maybe a month? It's not necessarily painful, although it can be sore if you're trying to get muscle problems out. But again, we have patients that come in, they got it all the time, they love the cupping, and I can tell when their health is going up and down a little bit, or if they really feel bad, because the bruising is a little bit more pronounced. So if you see this right here, you have a little bit of petechia here, but in this area, not so much. So, you know, not too bad. Not too bad at all. And it's not really painful. And again, you can do it really hard or you can do it really soft. It depends on the tolerance of the person. Remember, we have an individualized form of medicine. Wildflower Wellness is an individualized, integrative, holistic approach to health. And we really enjoy that, and we appreciate y'all. And if you have any questions about cupping or would like to try it in your acupuncture session, please give us a call or visit us online at www.wildflowerwellnessllc.com.